Why are there not more people talking about hiccups? They sneak up, they won't stop. Hiccups are like that uninvited guest at your party, caused by a sudden spasm of your diaphragm. You know, that muscle that helps you breathe. Triggers. Eating too fast, gas, stress, or even excitement. Your diaphragm contracts, vocal cords snap shut, and hic! Some scientists think hiccups might be a leftover reflex from when we were babies in the womb. Solutions? Hold your breath, drink water slowly, or pull on your tongue. Yup, really, it's your body saying, something's off down here.